Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add automatically serial number in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the automatical serial number. Now I am select the cell. Then write a formula. Firstly write the is equal to, then write row, ROW, then start the first bracket, then write your cell number. Now we can see here the column number is B and the row number is 15. Now I am write B15, then close the bracket, then write -1, then press enter. We can see here the cell number is 14. Now we want to make the number automatically. Select this plus icon and drag on your mouse down. We can see here we added the automatically serial number. You want to add this formula in fast, then start and 0 or 1. Now again write your formula. Write 0 is equal to row, start the first bracket and write your cell number. Now I can see here the cell number is H1. Then close the bracket, then write -1. Press enter, then make auto sum. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.